Greetings, and welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. Where you really think about how Jesus used to angle the leader them in a theme time? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people fear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 20 from verse 1 to verse 8. One day, Jesus did teach the people them and I preach the good news in a yard where God hosts there. The head priest them, the law teacher them, and the elder them come to him. Them ask Jesus say, tell us something. What right you have if you do the insignia? And who give you the right there? Jesus said to them, say, I'm going to ask you one question. I'm want you to answer me. When John did baptize people, who did send him to do it? God or man? Then talk amongst themselves say, if we say God, he might go ask we, and what make una never believe John? But if we say a man, the whole people them go stone we, cause them think said John I did one prophet. So them answer say, we don't know who sent him. So Jesus said to them, say, then me not go tell you no who give me the right for do the insignia neither. I God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.